so we can get better air quality. Now we're gonna go ahead and open this up. Take a look inside this here. So basically, we need to look at the cleanliness, your wiring, any rubbing, any imperfections with the wires, things like that. I'm just looking at it, everything looks pretty good, just a little dusty. You know, we have our brush, we could dust off some of these things. Looking at the blow motor here, we spin the wheel. That kind of lets us know if your bearing is going out or not. So we'll kind of spin that freely. It should slow down like it did just now. And obviously as it's running, we're gonna check the amperage of your motor and everything else, capacitor. I mean, if it has a capacitor on here. It doesn't look like this blow motor has one.